Now you can tell, you can see your chocolate set up. It's not going anywhere. Okay? So we are ready to slice this. First, what we will do is release the cake from the tin. You can get your cake circles from any restaurant supply store, or if you go to your local grocery store and you buy something and nicely ask if you could get a couple cake circles, they'll probably give them to you for free. They're very inexpensive. So to release the cake, use your boning knife. You have your hot water in your bane. You always want your knife to be hot. What I'm going to do is slice along the bottom between the metal and the crust. Be very careful. You're going to do a little at a time. Rolling. Going to do a little at a time until you go all the way around. See, just like that. Dip, wipe, slice. Key words when you're topping and working with the cheesecake. Dip, wipe, slice. So, here we go. And work the knife around the cake. Dip, wipe, slice. Okay, you can pretty much feel when it's releasing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tilt the cake. I'm going to have my thumbnail underneath the cake, and I'm going to tilt it. You will see it slowly come off the tin. Okay, so as it comes off, it's about halfway down. Let me release this a little more. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the cake circle under. Slowly. See how it comes off the pan? Now, halfway down, what I'm going to do is lift the cake and pull the circle out gently. The problem is with these particular pans, they have the lip, so the lip will hold some of the crust underneath, so you have to be very careful releasing this so you don't pull a big chunk of the crust out. Let's see if we can get this out without taking half the crust with us. Very easily. Take your time. There we go. We didn't lose too much, did we?